Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. To make the cake, we'll use a thick non-stick pan. If the pan does not have a heavy bottom, our cake will either burn or stick to it. We'll start by melting the butter. Try to grease the whole pan with the butter. Switch off the burner so that we can make the batter. Transfer your pan to the smallest burner possible. Add sugar, the flaxseed mixture. As we are making an eggless cake, flax seeds are what makes this cake super soft and moist. Vanilla extract. Mix with a silicone spatula or a wooden spoon. Do not use a metal whisk, it will ruin the non-stick coating of your pan. Add the flour, baking soda and milk. Mix it all and finally add the cocoa powder. Now mix the batter really well, making sure that there are no lumps left. Scrape the bottom and sides of the pan and cover it with a lid. We'll cook the cake on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Check the cake at the 10 minutes mark. Do the toothpick test. If it's not done yet, cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the toothpick comes out clean, switch off the burner and let it rest with the lid on for 2 minutes. Transfer the cake to a parchment paper and let it cool to room temperature. To make our cake even more soft and flavorful, we'll soak it with dos leches. Dos leches literally means 2 types of milk. Mix together milk and condensed milk. And some coffee. As I've said before in my giant ice cream sandwich video, coffee enhances the chocolatey flavor in your cake. Poke some holes in your cake using toothpicks to fasten the soaking process. Now pour the milk mixture and set it aside. You can frost this cake with Nutella or chocolate ganache. We'll make a chocolate ganache frosting. In a saucepan, heat some milk and cream. Add some butter. Add chopped chocolate. For a less intense flavor, I've used a combination of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. You can just use dark chocolate if you prefer that. Now cover it and put it in the freezer for 10 minutes or until it cools down completely. Now whip the mixture at medium speed until fluffy and forms stiff peaks. Now you can see that the cake has soaked the milk mixture completely. Use an offset spatula to spread the frosting all over the cake. If you want, you can leave the cake like this, but I'm going to put some cute mini marshmallows on it. We've made a tasty, soft, chocolatey cake in a pan.